The Ministat 300 is an on-off type thermostat. This means it controls the temperature by switching the heater on and off to control around your set temperature. The Ministat 300 can control up to 300 watt of heaters and is suitable for all types of heaters, for example, bulbs, ceramics, heat mats or heat cable. Setting up the Ministat 300 is really easy. Connect the mains power cable from the thermostat to a plug socket near your VIVARIUM. Next, plug the heater that you are using into the heater socket on the thermostat. Positioning of the sensor is very important to allow you to achieve a temperature gradient inside the VIVARIUM. The sensor is coated black to allow it to measure radiant heat, which is the best way to measure the air temperature inside the VIVARIUM. The sensor should be positioned at least 9 inches away from the heat source. The sensor should not be fixed flat against the wall of the VIVARIUM, as this will give the thermostat false readings. We recommend that the sensor should be at least 4 inches from the walls. The sensor measures the temperature at the tip of the probe, which means the end of the VIVARIUM nearer to the heater will be slightly warmer than the set temperature, and the end farthest from the heater will be cooler. This gives your VIVARIUM the temperature gradient that is required to allow your reptile to move into the heat or out to cool down. The only exception to this is if you have no option but to install a heat mat inside the VIVARIUM. We do not recommend installing a heat mat under substrate inside the VIVARIUM, as this restricts airflow across the heat mat. But if this is your only option, the sensor must be placed directly on top of the heat mat and then the temperature dial adjusted on the thermostat to achieve your required temperature in the VIVARIUM. Setting the temperature on the Ministat is very simple. The temperature can be controlled from 19 to 35 degrees Celsius. The Ministat comes factory set to 19 degrees Celsius. The temperature control dial is anti-tamper, which means you'll need to use a small flathead screwdriver to adjust it. The reason for this is that the temperature cannot be accidentally knocked or adjusted by a child. Simply turn the adjuster clockwise to turn the temperature up to that required by your reptile. The LED on the front of the Ministat allows you to see when power is being sent from the thermostat to the heater. It will be illuminated when power is being sent and off when no heat is required. All microclimate thermostats come with a 5-year warranty for your peace of mind. All microclimate products are designed and manufactured in the United Kingdom. For more information and to see the other products in the microclimate range, please visit our website www.microclimate.co.uk.